Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing and review. This is the KuWFi or KuWFi wireless outdoor bridge series. So this is supposed to be up to 2 kilometers. So extend your Wi-Fi. This is at 900 megabits per second, 5.8 G. All right, so this has a couple, and there's a setup guide and then a quick setup guide here. All right, so here's this guy right here. Basically, looks like it's just going to, we've got some Cat 5 hookups there, some different buttons, power, LAN, slave, switch, reset. So you can have one that you're going to take your Wi-Fi basically from your router or whatever. Plug that in there, and then it should send it, or boost the signal and send it to the other one, pretty much. So there's that. It comes with some zip ties. You can hook this onto a pole or something right there. This has a Cat 5 cables, and it has a couple of these little boxes. We're going to be installing this as well to show you guys how this thing works. So it has this little baggie, 2 of these, so we got a plug in, and with the power is, looks like it's through Cat 5s there, and they gave us a couple of those right there. So we're going to get this set up, do a little test on it, see how fast it is, how it helps. Supposed to like give you a nice extension on your Wi-Fi. So as it is, my Wi-Fi, if I go out in my front yard, basically if I go onto my sidewalk, I'm pretty much losing Wi-Fi connection. Or if I'm mowing my lawn sometimes, I'm trying to listen to my music on my phone, and it kicks out like a little bit in the backyard or something. So that being said, hook these up and we'll see just what kind of a boost we get from this. So let's go do that. Okay friends, so I plugged my router into the plug-in there, and then into this one right here, and then I took it outside, which is all the way out here, and plugged it into my back room there. Okay, so we can go check this out over here. And this is in our little tree house here, kind of where the cats hang out. So I have that plugged in there, and then right here. So it's probably, I don't know, about 70 feet away. So now I can just run a little speed test, kind of show where we're at with that. Okay, I'm just going to show you that I'm connected to that internet real quick. Okay, there we go. I have my normal internet, the ETPC ones, and then I have the wireless one. It's the KuWFi wireless right there, 5G. So I connected to that. Here we are on a speed test, so I can test it. And I don't know how like far away I have to plug this in. I have my Wi-Fi or my cell data turned off. So we're in at fast connection, 17 and 10 up, so not bad. Okay friends, well this seems to work reasonably well. I don't really have any place on my property where I can get like 1,000 kilometer or a kilometer away or anything like that, so I can't really test that out. I'd have to like maybe go to a neighbor's house and plug it in and see how that was working. But as far as just going out to the tree house here, it seems to be doing okay. And yeah, nice. There's a lot of different aspects of this too. So if you just want to transmit your data from, like, if you have cameras and things like that, or other ways over the Wi-Fi, seems to be pretty good. This is a little bit, maybe a little bit more technical than I'm used to handling. So he's has slave and master things you can set on this as well. You can go onto your computer and kind of mess with the little IP address thing, set your admin thing, and different stuff like that. So it's not like super complicated, but has maybe a little bit of a learning curve if you're not used to things like this. But all in all, seems to be a great little product. Thanks so much for watching, my friends. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.